Ranjini Jamagoala ni kambi mar Posta oyango medruok e ohala mare gi atamalo 11 kopim gi higa mokalo. Tend Posta kata kamano yango ni pod gin kod okenge mag yawo thuolo ne joket mwandu mondo okony e tayo chenro mage. Kanoloso gi jofwambo tok romo manokelo kanyakla jodito e sekta mar tudruok kanyachiel gi jotelo mag kembe mag Posta, jata tije kambino e Thurka miluongo ni John Tanui oyango ni Posta geto mar jiwo sekta mar ji giwegi mondo mi oket mwandu e kambino kaka yo mar tego chenro mag kambino endo. Oluwo ni Posta oseyudo omenda maromo milion 51 e bwo chenro mar Post for Health motelne kod riwruok mar kembe mag Postas e piny mangima mong'ere kaka Universal Postal Union mabiro konyo e jiwo chenro.
Performance of African Postal must change. I think change is a constant. In this particular, we must turn around our public postal utilities by reimaging, as the DG said earlier, their business models and strategies from the current letter post orientation, diversification of service offerings, digital transformation, and entry into a lucrative e-commerce market to provide new pathways to financial sustainability, allowing the Post to reclaim its past glory.
We are changing our strategic plan. Of course, we have a strategic plan that we have developed, which is 2023-2027. Out of it, we want to open the post office to private investors so that they can also invest within the postal network. We want to generate revenue that will be able to finance our daily operation, our expenditures, and everything else. So we are looking at 3 business units that we really want to diversify, and that is the courier part of our business and also the financial services, so that we remain with the core business of operation, that is